Too many authentication failures for username. I have a HostGator account with SSH access enabled. When trying to upload the generated pub key file with this command, I keep getting I've been toying around previously with SSH until I got the auth failure. But now it seems that the auth failure counter does not reset. Been waiting more than 12 hours now. Tech support supposes it resets after 30 minutes to 1 hour. And another guy told me it resets every time you try to log in with the username. Geesh. This is driving me nuts. I even had this set up in a SliceHost custom server and had fewer issues than with these guys. Any tips? Perhaps it's something client-side and not server-side.
This is usually caused by inadvertently offering multiple SSH keys to the server. The server will reject any key after too many keys have been offered. You can see this for yourself by adding the V flag to your SSH command to get verbose output. You will see that a bunch of keys are offered, until the server rejects the connection saying, "Too many authentication failures for user." Without verbose mode, you will only see the ambiguous message "connection reset by peer." To prevent irrelevant keys from being offered, you have to explicitly specify this in every host entry in the ~/.ssh/config on the client machine file by adding identities only like so. If you use the SSH agent, it helps to run sshad to clear the identities. If you are not using any SSH host configuration, you have to explicitly specify the correct key in the SSH command like so. Note, the identities only yes parameter needed to be between quotes. Or
I found an easier way to do this, if using password authentication. This forces non-key authentication. I was able to log on immediately. Reference.
I was getting this error too and found that it was happening BC the server was configured to accept up to 6 tries. In addition to setting the identities only yes in your ~/.ssh/config file, you have a couple of other options. Increase the max of trees on the SSH server. Delete some of the key pairs you have present in your ~/.ssh/ directory and run sshad. Explicitly link a key to a given host in your ~/.ssh/config file. Like so. Is probably not a good way to go about it, given it weakens your SSH server a bit since it'll now accept more keys in a given connection attempt. Think brute force attack vectors here. Is a good way to go, assuming you have keys that are not needed and can be permanently deleted. And the approach of setting identities only are probably the preferred ways of dealing with this issue.
I added to /.ssh/config this. It enables option identities only equals yes by default. If you'll need to connect with private key, you should specify it with option I.
If you want to support the channel,